How to limit FPS in any games. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can limit your FPS in any games that you play on your PC. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Disclaimer that this setting will only work with Nvidia's graphics card, so I'm going to show you how you can change and tweak the settings on your Nvidia's graphics card. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is search for GeForce Experience on a PC and check for any updates. So from here, you just want to open up and then click on check for updates right here. And if there are any updates available, just click on Express installation. Once that is done, come back to your desktop, right click on it, and then click on show more options. And from there, you will have an option to open the Nvidia's Control Panel. So just click right here to open up your Nvidia's Control Panel. Now on the left side of your screen, you will have different settings right here. You just have to click on this Manage 3D Settings. So once you click on here, something like this will appear on your screen. So now from here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the Manage option, and then from here you actually have two options. The first one is global settings and the second one is program settings. So the global settings will work for all of the available application on your computer, and if you choose the program settings, you can choose a specific type of app that you want to change your settings or your graphics card frame rate to. So once you get to the point where you want to change it, just find the max frame rate option right here, and then from here you can turn it on, and here you will get a slider where you can cap the FPS of your device. So I recommend you cap your FPS right below the monitor's refresh rate. So let's say if you have a 60 FPS monitor, you can cap it at 58. And let's say if you have a 144 Hertz monitor, then you can cap it at 142. Then from here you can click on apply, and then you can start playing games normally. But you have to note that if there are any in-game controls on your games and it's not working, that's because the Nvidia's graphic card will override all of the settings from the in-game as well. So that's a little tip that you need to know. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.